Let's right click Riot client, click properties, click compatibility, and make sure the run the program as administrator should be in enable. Remaining all options should be in disable mode. Right click Valorant, click properties, click compatibilities. Run the program as administrator should be in enable and remaining all should be in disable mode. Once checking after, click Riot client and go to settings. In this Valorant is tab. Click Valorant, scroll down, click repair and start repair. It takes 5 to 10 seconds. It's nothing bad. It's verifying your game files and folders. Once complete after, the pop-up will arise successfully repaired. Click OK. Come back. Next step, go to CMD. Right click run as administrative and type the following text: SFC space C space scan now. Click enter. Verification is started. The process will take some time, so be patient. Wait for till it's completed. Once complete after, click exit. It's nothing but it's verifying the entire drive files. Next step, we need to go to run and type the following text: tpm.msc. Click enter. The status should be ready to use. Okay, the tpm is ready for use. Next, we need to go to services, scroll down and search for VGC. Right click, click properties and make sure the startup type should be in automatic and service status should be in running mode. And restart it. After completing, close it, go to settings, click Windows Update and check for update. If there are any update available, means you need to download and install it and make it up to date. Once complete after, restart your PC.